Welcome to another foodalicious episode of Guamguam. Today I'm going to share my favorite salmon recipe. This dish is perfect for a busy weekday dinner. Step 1. Season your salmon fillet with salt and pepper. Brush both the sides with some olive oil. Step 2. Shallow fry both the sides of salmon on a pan, 1 minute for each side. Step 3. Now pop the salmon and roast it in the oven for 12 to 15 minutes. Step 4. Let's make the yogurt and dill sauce. Use 4 tablespoons of Greek yogurt. Mix honey, pepper, don't try this at home, and paprika onto the yogurt. Once you've mixed these ingredients, add some chopped parsley and dill into the sauce. Mix it well. And now pour the sauce onto a bowl. Prettify the sauce the way you like it. I've added some pomegranate on top. It's now time to place this beautifully roasted salmon onto our salubrious yogurt and dill sauce. You can enjoy this dish with some potatoes, rice, bolga, or even quinoa on the side. Thank you for watching Guamguam with Pepper. Please like and subscribe to my channel.